Hey guys, this video is about Bluetooth speaker. We are gonna give away the Bluetooth speaker for free, which we have made in this video for our subscribers. To participate in this giveaway, you have to follow 3 steps. The first one is you have to subscribe our channel. And the second one is like this video. And the most important third one is comment anything about this video. Winner will be selected randomly with the comments. And the winner of this giveaway will be announced on the next upcoming video.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out The ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright.
The circuit we have made is working properly. Now I am going to assemble our circuit in this plastic bottle. While assembling it, I have added some regulators for power, volume and bass.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. To get this Bluetooth speaker for free, subscribe our channel, like this video and comment anything about it. That's enough. Okay guys, see you soon on next video.